everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a 3-look, 1 palette using a pretty affordable palette for you guys so you could pick it up and try yourself. I wanted to kind of show you guys what my type of eyeshadow looks I would go for the holidays. Something simple to something bold. And if you guys are interested in wanting to watch this, see what looks I come up with, then just keep on watching. So I did my face already, my base. I'm going to be using the ColourPop, that's taupe palette. I am going to create 3 looks using this palette. This is a cool tone palette, which I really love cool tone palettes. I like this one particularly. I love this shade. I use this shade all the time. It's so pretty. And then of course the browns are really beautiful as well. So I'm going for like more of a cool tone kind of look for the holidays, and I want to stick to 1 palette, just seeing what I can do with 1 palette, and maybe you can do the same with this palette as well. First things first, I'm going to prep my lids. I'm going to do that by adding my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the shade Vanilla. I use this for like concealer. Sometimes I'll use it for like my whole base, but it works really well as an eyeshadow base. Once I've got that on, I'm just going to get some loose setting powder. This is just Cover FX loose setting powder, and I'm going to just place that all over the lid. Alright, so first things first, we're going to do the first look. We should name this look the simple look. As I really like simple looks, and if any of you are if you're looking for like just a simple look for the holidays, I think this one would be really good. I mean, we're only gonna use like 2 shadows. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here. This is like a really light cool brown shade. I'm going to place this pretty much on the outer corner, bringing it in a little. I'm gonna focus it on the outer corner first, and then I'm gonna place it just like all over the lid. So we're just basically giving our lid a wash of color, pretty much. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this palette. I never thought I would like a cool tone palette, but whenever I saw this palette at Ulta, I think they still have it at Ulta if I'm not mistaken, but there's just like these colors in here are so pretty. I would literally wear it all day, every day. So literally just doing the most simplest wash of color on the lid. Then I'm going to add this beautiful shimmery color to the inner corner of my eye, and I usually like to do this all the time with this shade, or I like to just place it on top of the lid. I'm gonna bring it up just a little to the lid, but not too much. This is what we're working with basically. So we got 1 color on, and then an inner corner little moment. So hard being pregnant and trying to get things for yourself. Okay, so since it's like a really simple look, I'm just going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. The cutest little sample size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to do just maybe like 1 or 2 coats of this. So about 1 or 2 coats of mascara. Then I'm gonna take off my lip mask. So I feel like the main thing that I really want to focus on this look is definitely going to be the lipstick. The lipstick I have is, heck, where did it go? Where are you, lipstick? I know you're in here. The MAC Ruby Roo lipstick. This one is going to be the main show of everything. I've never used this lipstick before, but I've literally seen so many people get this lipstick, and I feel like this is like the classic lipstick Ruby Roo for MAC. So therefore, I think I'm gonna call this look the classic glam, because I mean, a simple eye look and then a really bold lip, that is definitely screaming Christmas. That looks really pretty. So this is look 1, the classic glam. Right, so on to the next look. So now we're going to do is basically kind of darken this up a little bit more. Going to take this shade right here and place that on the outer corner of the eye. Ooh, this is really pretty too. Then for the shimmer shade, I think I'm gonna go in with this tea color in the middle here, more like a bronzy gold, and I'm gonna place that on the lid. Little trick to basically brighten up the shimmer shades, you can take your makeup wipe and rub your finger on it and then pick up the shimmer shade and then place it on your eyelid to make it more vibrant. Ooh, I'm gonna call this one the gingerbread because it kind of looks like a gingerbread. Then we're just going to basically intensify the inner corner using the first shimmer shade here. I'm gonna kind of bring it up a little to the crease. Wow, so pretty. Let me see if I want to do eyelashes. So you can definitely leave this how it is, or with like mascara, like you can intensify the mascara, or you can add eyelashes. I'm going to do these ones from Velour. This is their plant fiber line in the shape, in the style Second Nature. They're really pretty actually, and they're kind of very soft and subtle. These are the lashes. So if you guys are interested, I do actually have a discount code with Velour. I can save you 20% off. I will leave the code right here. One of my favorite eyelashes from Velour is definitely going to be from their plant fiber line, and it's going to be the style called A New Leaf. It is so pretty. The way it like flares, and it's just, it kind of reminds me of a lily lash. It looks so beautiful. Like, it's my absolute favorite lash from Velour. And I got this really cute little lash applicator. So you're going to use Velour's lash glue. And Velour's lash glue is so good. Like, these stay on really good. Ooh, and then I can use this side to kind of brush them up. These are so pretty, very simple. I think this is beautiful. Look at that. So this is the second look. So pretty. On to the final look. So going in with the same palette, I'm going to actually go in with this dark chocolate brown color. This is going to go in the outer corner just like the other shades, but it's going to pretty much stay focused on the outer corner, like just darkening it up a little bit more. This brush has no product on it, by the way. It's the brush that I used for the very first shadow, and I didn't pick up anything. I'm just using it how it is, just buffing out the color. Now we're going to do the shimmer. And I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. So then I'm going to go back in and just kind of make sure it's blended. Then I'm going to take the first shimmer shade that we did, which was this one. I'm going to actually place that more inside the inner corner. So I'm going to bring it more in. Well, I think I'm going to call it Winter Wonderland because it does give off like the shimmery stuff. The shimmery shades do give off like a really icy feel. I think it looks so pretty. Now this look is definitely a look to wear on Christmas or even New Year's Eve. So for lashes, I am definitely going in with one of my favorite lashes. This is the style called A New Leaf. Just look at that gorgeous fluff. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Gonna freshen up my lipstick. Now this is the last final look using the ColourPop Taupe palette. 3 looks, 1 palette. This is what I came up with. Super pretty, very sultry, and definitely good for the holidays, or you can also wear this look for New Year's Eve. I mean, definitely up to you. Just look at those lashes. Such a pretty lash. Actually, I really like this lipstick. It's a really pretty red. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.